Students, very good evening once again. I am here once again to explain the Bohr success. And what was the last success of Bohr? He explained about the electron behavior. He explained that electron can jump from the ground state and to the excited state, right? But now Bohr has told about the energy of the electron also. He explained that if this is nucleus and this is electron in this shell, then how much energy will it have? He has given the formula for this also. So let's see what is that. Energy for an electron in a particular orbit is equal to RH 1 by n square, where RH is Rydberg constant. So its value is equal to 2 pi me4, right? Its value is equal to 2 pi me4. If you look at it, then En, put the value of this RH here. Whenever you will put the value of RH there, you will get the value for this 2 pi square me4 upon 2 pi square. It is here also 2 pi square me4 upon h square 1 by n square. Then put the value of mass. It may be given to you for an electron, although you know in earlier lessons I have told you that what is the value for mass of an electron. That you can write 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. Then charge on an electron, right? Then you can go with the value of Planck's constant. After putting the value, you will get this value, and after solving it in electron volt, you will get this. You can directly learn this relation, that En, energy of an electron in a particular orbit, is equal to minus 1311.8 upon n square. Or you can write it as, by rounding it off, 1312 upon n square. So this is expression to calculate the value of energy of an electron in a particular shell. Now how to calculate the energy for hydrogen like ions? Means ion is there, hydrogen like ions are there, suppose helium ion is there, fine, lithium ion is there. Then how will you calculate the energy for that? Again, one expression is in front of you. Fine, you can go with only the last expression. If you cannot learn all these steps, you can go with only last expression. Directly you can put the values. But sometimes what happen in the numerical problems, you are given with the these values, means n, h, me. Then you have to see what is given and what formula you can use. And in this case, for hydrogen like ions, you are having minus 2 pi square me z square upon n square h square. You will get here the value minus 1311.8 z square upon n square, where what is z? Z is a atomic number, and for helium the value for atomic number is 2. So you will put the value in this formula for Z is 2 to calculate the energy of hydrogen like ions. So this is it regarding the Bohr success, the big success which was by Bohr. Thank you.